why is your business like playing snakes and ladders? Now, if you know the game of snakes and ladders, you roll the dice and you land on a spot and you either go up a ladder or you go down a snake and you start from scratch. And this can be so frustrating in business as well as in life. Now, what happens though in business is that somebody gets something bad that happens. Maybe it's a refund request or a not so nice comment on one of your posts, and you just throw yourself down that snake and you start again. And worse, you might never ever play again. Now, the truth is, in business, we really can plan our own path and we can control our own destiny, but you have to give yourself permission to do that. So the next time something bad happens, realize that it's just part of the game. You can roll the dice and you can start again. And not only is it part of the game, is that some of those bad things will be inevitable, will be part of doing business. You can't say, hey, universe, give me a big business, but I don't want anyone to unsubscribe from my newsletter ever. I want lots of people to read my book, but I do not ever want to get a 1-star review. And those things, sadly, are inevitable, and they're just a rite of passage of living a big life, helping people, being creative, and it does not have to derail you. You're allowed to roll the dice and play again. But the biggest tip for this, I think, is to surround yourself with other people who are living a creative life. If you don't know other writers, the first time you get your first 1-star review, it will feel horrible. And actually, the fear of that happening stops so many people from writing a book in the first place. So surrounding yourself with entrepreneurs and mentors who can show you that path, show you what snakes might be ahead of you, but also inspire you to take those opportunities, climb those ladders when they come up, so you're not scared of bad things happening in the future as well. If you don't know me, my name is Denise Duffield-Thomas. I'm the author of several Hay House books, the most recent being Chill and Prosper, all about helping you to create and grow your business, but in the path of least resistance, in the way that works for you and that helps you. So Chill and Prosper is available all over the place, but the really exciting news is that I'm coming to the UK for a 2-day Chill and Prosper workshop in Bristol in November. So you can find out all about that at the Hay House website, or you can go to my website and it's denisedt.com/UK live. Hope to see you there. And remember, you can always play again. So don't be afraid of those bad things happening. They're just a rite of passage. You can totally handle it. And there are so many people who want to help you succeed and will help you up those ladders. Chill and prosper.